what's up? This is FEELINGOng KULOT from Cebu Vloggers, and we are now at Municipality of Balyangao, Misamis, Occidental. Ang Balyangao is also known for their white sand beach resort and their seafood delicacies. So guys, makita nato karon kung unsa kanindot ang beach. So, tala, ato na ta. Choo! Bless Amare sunrise, and you know this is the most known resort at Balyangao. So Bless Amare sunrise is known for the white sun, wide white sun, guys. So nakita nato karon is isa kanindot ang place. So yeah, 360. You know guys, during my childhood days, I've always liked this place. Manggot kay very peaceful kay siya. So nice po siya kaliguan kay naman siya maintenance to. And when it comes po sa ilaang kuan, when it comes po sa ilaang entrance, so cheap ra kay siya kay tag 40 pesos sa each. So sa table sad nasa kay kapilian package or table. So nasa siya daytime use and nighttime use. So hindi ra kakapili. So good kay siya. Guys, if you want to enjoy at Bless Amare sunrise, so it's very good and affordable kay siya. So nagbinan na gid mi as in, so ang yang resort very relaxing kay siya at all. So if you want to come and enjoy in Bless Amare sunrise, so you just search on Balyangao, Misamis Occidental. Thank you and bye-bye. So nga pala, if you want to just subscribe at my YouTube channel, it's FEELINGOng KULOT, and
don't forget to
my FB page, Mateo Disenya. Bye bye, that's all. Hello guys, with me is Green and Black Vloggers again, and my brother out there wearing black off. So we're here at Bless Amare sunrise. So shout out na lang ko ni Tupipot katulingin kay Gnawong nga mo'y kabuhat sa ako ang logo. topipot. And to Ryan Laran, no, nga bigig ko kalimot nga top 1 yun ang kagang sa Bible. Oh. So, moto. Hello again.